Oh my god. Hi guys, hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm feeling so cute today. I'm just from church and I'm like, oh baby, it's been a while I felt this cute. And my skin, gosh. Oh, I'm hungry guys, my stomach is rumbling, but I gotta do this video. So as you can see from the title, I'm talking about the reusable pads. After the last video but one, I think I had a lot of questions about reusable pads. Some of you didn't know that they actually do exist, and I thought let me, and one of you actually suggested I do the pros and cons of reusable pads. Here I am, this video is for you, Fefe as well. Love you. Okay, so reusable pads, even me myself, I never knew about them until my grandma brought it for us, like how many years ago, like 3 years ago, and they were given by an initiative in the village that was about, the initiative is about teaching people in the village how to correctly plant seeds, providing them the right seeds for planting. So I think they decided to incorporate that for the village people in the village. That's why I am a huge supporter of when you hear people say they're distributing sanitary towels to people. If you can contribute, because I was one of those girls. If it was not for them to come through for the people in the village, sing a pata, you know. So yeah, so my grandmother was given 2 packets. I think she chose the 2 because she had 2 girls, I mean me and my twin, so she brought for us, each of us. Of course my sister doesn't use hers, I think she gave it away, but for me, anything that's gonna help me save money, I'm taking it, I'm in. So yeah, one advantage of them is it saves you a lot of money. Second advantage is that it is super comfortable, super comfortable. It's pure, it's like cotton. And of course I'm supposed to be here showing you how it looks like, but sweethearts, you don't expect me to show you that one thing that comes in contact with my vagina, do you? So I decided to Google, and actually I've never about them until when I did it yesterday, and I was like, wow, there's so many options out there. So you just do your research. So I found this one. I made sure I found the one that exactly looks exactly like the one I do have. Mine is pink in color, so it's really comfortable compared to the normal pads. It's more absorbing compared to the normal pads. It costs less money because you can use it for years and years. And now that I did my research, I found that I should actually buy more so that I replace these ones, because I've used them for long. And of course, the longer you use something, you experience wear and tear. So definitely I need to get more. At least now I know where I can get them. There's so many online shops you can get them from. I'm sure there are pad brands, like women pad brands, that you can get them from. I have no idea where. Just research. You can go to Instagram and search pads, go anywhere and search, you know, just do your research. For on Google I found like kuna sijui Kilimall, kuna all these online shops. I'm sure you can find some on Jumia, just different designs and types. So the one I'm using is so comfortable. Let's go to the cons. The disadvantages is that kuna wale wenye wali comment, they say that they cannot, it's so messy, like it's so bloody, like washing your own blood. They can't stand that. Sweetheart, wait until the day you will give birth, then you will know what a lot of blood looks like. It's not like I've ever given birth, but I've taken care of someone who has given birth, so I know that it's actually not that bad. It's not that bad. Maybe I have, no wonder I was supposed to be a doctor anyway, but you can handle it. You can really handle it. If you kwanza wale wenye wanasema it's just too messy, too much blood, you look at your blood every time of the month, right? So why will washing be so difficult? But anyway, people are different. So for me, I do not mind, of course. And of course you need to air dry it, otherwise it's less prone to infections than the normal pads, because you wash it. You know, the normal pads, if you stay with it for a long time, you can get infection. This one, if you stay with it with a long time, it's not as uncomfortable as the normal pads. So yeah. Let me show you how you usually package it. It usually, I threw away the outside package, so I can't show you, but it comes in just normal packs like nini. I love zinakuwa zimekunjwa. They are folded. Let me show you how they are usually folded. So it comes with this package. Of course, yangu it tore, so I like shonad it. This is the gero, but I'm showing to you guys. So this is like, it's like a Ziploc bag. Ziploc bag. So once you are done using it, you usually just put it in here and close it, and then you can put it in your bag. But for me, okay, so let me show you how it comes folded. I'm not showing you the front. This is how it looks like. It's written So Sure here. In front is so cottony, just like the picture I've shown you guys. So let's assume how you carry it, how after using you usually fold it just like that and like that. And it does have, now let me come closer, it does have this thing here. So you just, you know, there, just like that. It's so easy. And then you carry yours when you're going to work or when you are going anywhere. Voila, your extra pad for the day. And you can literally just use, it's actually another advantage, is good for those who have heavy flow like me. I've always had heavy flow since the day one I started my periods as a 12-year-old. So yeah, a reason why I do not mind like washing my blood is that when I was starting my period, I didn't know what pads were. I did not have someone to talk to, so I started off like this. I didn't use these pads, of course, but I was using cutting my sweaters, folding them, and just using them as pad. Then I didn't know this existed. I didn't know cotton pads existed until like almost 4 months later, when I messed up in my classroom. I have my period story. I'll link it up in the comment section. That's when like I was given by one of the students in school, a teacher. That story is in the comment section. That's when I first used the pads, like almost like 6 months later since I started my period. So yeah, it's actually good if you are a heavy flowed person. And once you are done using it, I would advise someone to like wash immediately, because the more blood sticks, the more it will leave a stain. And do not use hot water or warm water. Even after you've taken a bath, alafu ile maji kidogo inabaki, pour it. Make sure you use cold water. Yeah, those are the mistakes I learned, to just avoid staining your pads. And of course, air dry kwa jua, like mine that actually outside kwa jua. No shame, no period shaming, okay? So yeah, so I love them. I feel like I'll use them forever. So if you go to work and you're supposed to wash them immediately, I feel like you can use the bathroom taps. Just rinse off the blood. Just make sure imenini no isi stain. The more the blood stays, the more it's gonna stain, and the more I think you understand. So yeah, so once you just rinse off, you like rinse kamua kabisa, and then you put it here. Then when you get home, you can wash it now properly. Just soap and cold water, and voila, that's all about you need to know about reusable pads. In your talk on a roho like me. So yeah, I think that's the end of this video. I hope you've learned something. If you want to try them, you can research. That is, let me tell you the things you should get out of this video. Of research on them if you want to try them. Number 2, those initiatives that provide sanitary towels to places where they are not able, please changia, okay? Just provide for them. And number 3, it's not that bad. Actually, it's not that bad. You get used to it. Nasikutaza, you will understand that too much blood is not too bloody. Bye guys. Make sure you can leave your questions in the comment section. I will answer them. But I hope I've covered as much pros and cons as I can. Bye. Subscribe.